Welcome to our essential guide for first-time home buyers. This video simplifies the complex process of buying a home, providing you with key steps and valuable insights to ensure a smooth journey. From identifying your needs, choosing the right lender, to the final stages of closing, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's embark on this exciting path to homeownership together. Step 1. To kickstart your home buying journey, it's vital to differentiate your essential needs from your desired wants in a home. To assist you, we've created a practical list outlining the top considerations such as location, size, amenities, and budget. This curated list, accessible via the link below, will serve as a roadmap, helping you to prioritize and refine your search effectively. Step 2. Selecting the right lender and mortgage professional. Think of your lender as a personal finance wingman, a partner who navigates you through the complex world of mortgages, ensuring you make a decision that's beneficial for you in the long term. The right lender not only informs you about your true purchasing capacity, but also guides you to the best mortgage rates and favorable terms. This choice impacts not just your upfront costs, but also the savings over the life of your loan, which could amount to tens of thousands of dollars. Step 3. Once you've chosen a lender, it's time to get pre-approved. Before diving into the home search, obtaining pre-approval for a mortgage is highly recommended. This shows sellers you're serious and makes the process a lot smoother down the road. This step involves submitting your financial documents to the lender, who will evaluate your creditworthiness. A pre-approval not only strengthens your bargaining power, but also provides you with a clear idea of your budget, saving you time and effort. Moreover, having a pre-approval letter ready gives you an advantage when it comes to submitting an offer quickly. Step 4. Find a location. Location is more than just a zip code, it's your future lifestyle. Thoroughly research different neighborhoods, explore their amenities, and visit them if possible. Choosing the right location can significantly impact your quality of life. Once you've got the where down, you'll be all set to find an agent who really knows that area. Step 5. Find an agent. In the thrilling quest of buying a home, selecting your ally is a crucial step. Teaming up with a proficient real estate agent can greatly enhance your home buying experience. However, exercise due diligence. Don't just settle for the first agent you encounter. It's beneficial to interview several, examine their track records and reviews, and then make an informed decision. The key is to find an agent who aligns with your goals, budget, and has expertise in your desired area. Step 6. Home shopping. When house hunting, it's crucial to stay focused on your priorities, rather than getting distracted by appealing but unnecessary features. Be realistic about your financial constraints and flexible in your expectations. Step 7. Find an attorney. When it's time to make an offer and enter into a contract, having an attorney by your side ensures that your legal rights and interests are protected. Their expertise will safeguard you from potential pitfalls and complications. Step 8. Offer and contract negotiation. It's important to protect your interests in the contract while aiming for a balanced approach to avoid deterring the seller, striving for a win-win outcome for both parties. For a more comprehensive understanding, see the link below for a detailed checklist on this phase of the home buying process. Step 9. Submit your loan. With an accepted offer, it's back to your lender to finalize your mortgage application. You're almost there. Provide your lender with all the necessary documentation and respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Having these documents prepared in advance can streamline the process and mitigate stress. Step 10. Home inspection. Get a home inspection to make sure you're not buying a money pit. You're making a huge investment after all. For an average cost of $500, inspectors scrutinize the home's construction for issues like termite damage or leaky pipes, rather than focusing on aesthetics. The inspection can trigger further negotiations with the seller if issues arise, and it's advisable to have contingencies in your sales contract to account for this. Step 11. Appraisal. This step helps to protect not just the lender, but your interests as well. If the appraiser's numbers come in lower than expected, don't hit the panic button. Collaborate with your agent and attorney to address these requirements promptly, clearing the way for a smooth loan approval process. Step 12. Approval letter. This critical document has a deadline, often set in your sales contract, serving as a crucial milestone before the actual closing. It reassures the seller that you are financially set to buy and gives you a final opportunity to double-check all the loan details. Once the appraisal and conditions are cleared, your lender will send the approval letter. This means your loan is officially approved. Step 13. Title. Ensuring a clear title is paramount before finalizing the purchase. A title search conducted by a professional title company will uncover any legal issues that could affect your ownership rights. The title company will issue title insurance, protecting you from potential challenges in the future. Step 14. Clear to close. Once your home, mortgage, and finances have been thoroughly vetted and all government requirements are met, you'll receive a clear notice indicating that you're good to proceed to the closing stage of your home purchase. Coordinate with your attorney to review the closing documents and ensure everything is in order. Your closing date will be scheduled, and you're on to the final steps. Step 15. Final walkthrough. Use this time to verify that all requested repairs or changes stemming from your initial inspection report have been completed by the seller. It's akin to a final test drive before fully committing to your new home. Step 16. Close and move in. The closing is the culmination of all your efforts. From interviewing and negotiating to inspections and legal consultations, it all pays off as you officially become a homeowner. At Brighton Bank, we offer personalized guidance and a commitment to making your home buying experience as smooth as possible.